Welcome back to another episode of HHMtv. Today we are in Tyler, Texas at the Bluebird Antique Mall and Treasure Shop. One of the things I love about Bluebird Consignment is that there are over 60 vendors here and they're adding new stuff daily. Whether you're looking for something new or well-loved, there's something for everyone. From art to dishes to furniture to knickknacks. Come find it here at Bluebird. Bluebird is a great place to bring a friend, stay a while, shop, find something new to bless your home. I'm Jessica Herring. Thanks for watching another episode of HHMtv. Stay tuned for more episodes coming soon.